Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how we can add a cover page in our Word document. It's very easy. So open your Word document. Let's say you want a cover page here. Click the keys Alt plus N plus V. This will open all the outlines. Let's say I want the following outline for my book. Okay, so I'll click here and this is the outline. After that you can manually do some changes. Okay. Okay, so this is your cover page. You can also check it like this. So in this way guys, we can easily add a cover page in our Word document. For a free MS Word tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.